Sir, that's pretty much all I know.
Okay. How many papers will be there? You know about it? How many marks will be there? You know about it? You don't know. Okay. So all the subjects that you are going to have. Yes, Rafi Saeed. Yes, yes,
Sir, it
Rafi.
will be 50 marks paper.
It will be 50 marks paper for all the subjects.
Yes, sir.
Okay. And what will be there in those 50 marks?
Sir, MCQs, true, false, fill in the blanks, and question answers.
Good. MCQs, true, false, not as such fill in the blanks, MCQs and true, false. And then question and answers, the short question and answer. Good. So this will be the paper of the pattern of the paper. Okay, MCQs will be there, then true, false will be there, and short question answers will be there. And keep in mind that the questions will not be these questions that we are discussing at the end of each chapter. Are you getting this point? May be possible that the question and answers are from these questions, but not same as it is. Why? Because most probably the exam will be online, so you have to study in more detail. You have to study in more detail whatever the chapters are there that we are studying. So you will have to study that particular chapter in more detail so that when a question is when a question comes to you, you should be able to reply for this. When a true false come to you, when a fill in the blank comes to you, the student should be able to reply. Are you getting this point or not? Okay. Okay, for example, right now we are on page number 83. So the components of the Audacity window. So you may be asked about the transport layer. What do you know about transport layer? Define transport layer. What are the different options available in transport layer? So you must know that the transport toolbar is basically the toolbar which is similar to, you know, the toolbar which is available on a player, on a video player or an audio player, having play button, having pause button, next track, previous track, fine, record button. So these are the buttons which are there on the transport toolbar, and every button has got a purpose. Every button has got a purpose. You may be asked for those buttons as well in the form of MCQs by showing you the image of this button. Let's suppose this is the button and I am showing you the image, for example, for this button or this button. Okay, what does it do in the transport toolbar? What is the purpose of this button? Are you getting this point? Okay, how you will be assessed? Are you getting this thing? So we are going to have, the questions which are not from the exercise which is given normally at the end of the chapter. वो भी हो सकते हैं. This is possibility कि the questions are also coming from there. You have to study that exercise as well. You have to cover that exercise definitely, but it is not sure कि all the questions will be from there, because questions will be from the whole chapter, and those all chapters that we have studied up to now, and you know very well okay, we have studied these 5 chapters up to now. So these are basically the 5 chapters from which you are going to have your term exam. Now this thing is clear. This thing is clear. Okay, how, what kind of exam will be there? It will be of 50 marks. MCQs will be there, true false will be there, and similarly short question and answers will be there. The question answers, true false, MCQs, these will not be from the given exercise which is given at the end of the chapter. It will be from anywhere of the chapter. You have to know, you need to know, you have to study. For example, if you are asked, write down the names of 3 options or commands available on the tools toolbar or of Audacity software. Write down the names of the commands available on the tools toolbar. For example, it is an example, just an example. Can anyone tell me by raising the hand? By raising the hand, can anyone tell me about it? The book is opened in front of you. Are you able to see? I have shared the desktop with you. Okay. Yes, please. What are the options available in the tools toolbar of Audacity software? Junaid Khurshid. Yes, Junaid.
So the tools are selection tool, envelope tool, draw tool, multi tool mode, the time shift tool, and the zoom tool.
Okay. He said that there is selection tool and there is time shift tool and there is these all are the tools, multi tool, draw tool. So if you are asked any one in detail, would tell us about let's suppose about the selection tool. ठीक है? Describe the purpose of selection tool. Describe the purpose of selection tool, or describe the purpose of selection tool and envelope tool. Who will define the purpose of the selection tool and envelope tool? What does it do? Yes. Again, Junaid, why not any other student? Yes, Junaid.
Sir, the selection tool allows us to select the part of the audio file that we want to edit or anything else, and the envelope tool that allows us to make changes, smooth changes to the audio.
Okay, fine. And selection tool means that when we need to select some portion of the audio track, we cannot file. File is there on which we are working definitely. Audio track, where at that time we are calling it audio track. Why? Because we have imported that track in our Audacity software. So when we say K select means K select is basically a tool which is used to select the portion or complete audio track on which we want to do some task. अब कोई भी task हो सकता है. That may be any of the tasks. For example, okay, we want to cut it from there. We want to paste it at some other location. We want to cut it, or we want to increase its loudness. We want to apply envelope tool on it. We want to do some other things. ठीक है? So we want to trim it. If we want to trim it, so multiple operations are there, no? That you normally we want to apply some effects on it. If you want to apply some effect on the particular portion of the track, so definitely first you will select the track. Are you getting this point? Ki how the questions will be asked? Are you getting this thing? This is the way that different kind of questions will be asked. So you are going to reply for this, and you may be asked by giving the pictures of those portions or tools. The pictures are given and you are asked questions, or the names are given, or the objective is given and the tool name is asked. For example, the tool which is used to silent, or in other words you can say which is used to remove a portion from the audio track is called, उसको क्या कहते हैं? कोई एक portion है, for example, this is the portion from 10 second to 15 second. I have selected using selection tool. Okay. If I want this portion to be removed, what kind of task should I perform? What will be the command that I should use in order to remove this portion from my audio track? Muhammad Maaz. Yes, Maaz. I have unmuted your mic.
Sir, cut.
Okay. He is saying that we will apply the cut. Cut will, when we will click on the cut button, is it going to do? Yes, of course it is. Fine. So this is how what you can do. Okay, you can select some portion of the file. If you want to undo, if you want to revoke the last command given by you, what you will do? What is the shortcut key when you apply this thing? Okay, if the last work that you have done, how we will undo it? What is the shortcut? Shortcut. Yes, Mahaz. Can you? All the students will keep their cameras closed. The shortcut is Control Z. You know, Control Z is used for undoing the last work, whatever we have applied. Okay. Before going towards the next things, let me mark for the attendance, and then we are going. The Audacity chapter is very important regarding question and answer. Although you are able to apply all the things, but why it is very important about the question and answers? Because when the question will be asked, definitely, as I have told you, this will not be same as it is given in the exercise or the question and answer at the end of the chapter. Achha ji, let me mark for the attendance. In the meanwhile, no one will raise the hand. From Sayyid Raza Haidar to Hamdan. Hamdan to Muhammad Rami. And up to Munibul Haq. Okay. Those who are not present at the time of attendance, so of course their attendance will not be marked. Achha ji. Now come to the chapter again. Once again, come to the chapter. Similarly, then we have got the mixer toolbar. So you may be asked, for example, what kind of question can be asked from the mixer toolbar? The toolbar, which toolbar is used to control the volume levels and playback volume, means के volume levels for the playback and record. वो कौन सा tool है which is used to control the volume for playback and record? And you are given, let's suppose, 4 options: transport toolbar, mixer toolbar, tools toolbar, etc, etc. And you are going to select in the MCQ, let's suppose, mixer toolbar, because this is the toolbar which is used for this purpose. Or if this kind of diagram is shown to you, this kind of diagram is there, by taking this diagram from the Audacity software. If I take this diagram, if I give you, okay, what is the name of this toolbar? So you are going to select, or you are going to write mixer toolbar is basically the name of this particular toolbar. If objective is asked, then you are going to write. Okay. Let's suppose tools toolbar is there. So you may be asked, okay, what are the options available on the tools toolbar? What is the purpose of the selection tool? What is the purpose of the envelope tool? Why the time shift tool is used? Okay. So such kind of questions will be asked in your paper. Transcription toolbar. The transcription tools helps to change the speed of the playback. Means ke how much the speed of the playback is. So that for that purpose, the transcription toolbar is being used. Okay. So you will be asked in this way, what is the rate of the default frame rate of the audio track? What is the default frame rate of an audio track in your Audacity software? So you may be asked this thing. So if you go to the Audacity software, if we go to the Audacity software in the edit menu in the references, preferences, edit and preferences. Fine. So you will see that default sample rate is 44,100. Normally we leave it at the same level, 44,100 hertz. Hertz means cycles per second. Because the audio, you know very well, audio is basically a longitudinal wave. A longitudinal wave is normally in the form of compressions and rarefactions. So this is measured in the form of cycles per second, and that cycles per second is actually called hertz. Hertz is the frequency which is used for this purpose. Okay, so you will be asked the questions from the menus as well. You may be asked, okay, import menu is found in which menu? Import option, import command is found in which menu? Let's suppose four options are given to you: select, view, transport, or file. So you are going to say that import is there in the file menu. Okay, so such kind of questions will be there. You may be asked, okay, uh, describe the purpose of noise profile. Right? Remember last time we had done this, get noise profile. So we had selected the initial area of our a file where we were not speaking, and then we selected the noise profile, and then we reduced the noise profile. So in this way we can remove the extra voice of, the voice of fan and the voice of air and such kind of voice which is there in the sound which is there in the audio track. It could be removed. So these all menus are having, for example, copy paste commands are there. These are also available on the standard toolbar in the form of shortcuts. But these are also there, inside the. All the commands are not there definitely in our syllabus, but most of them which are there, which are common in nature, normally which things which are given in the written material of the chapter. This is the written material. You know very well that your chapter of Audacity is being started from page number 82. So whatever the written material is given in the chapter, so the questions will be asked from that particular written material accordingly, means according to that particular written material. It may be about different tools, it may be about different options available on different tools. It may be in the form of MCQ, it may be in the form of true false, it may be in the form of the short questions. For example, if I say, okay, mixer toolbar is used to control the volume levels of playback only. Now I have said playback only, not record, only playback. I did not mention about record. But you know very well that mixer toolbar is used to control the volume levels for playback and record. For both it is used. So if I am saying that for playback only, so this statement is false. So you are going to say that this statement is false. So now you are getting how you are going to be assessed and what kind of questions will be there which will be asked in your paper. ठीक है? So what you will do, when you are preparing at home, you will start from the chapter number 1 and will note down all the things that you want to ask. You will start reading. Are you getting this point? You will start reading from chapter number 1 and take your one of your rough copies or a notebook, rough notebook. Note down all the things which are not clear to you, because when we are going to start the revisions in the next classes, so I'm going to address, I'm going to take the questions from you. So from chapter number 1, I will start and I will give you review of the chapter number 1 first. Then I will ask what kind of question is there? Yes, tell me now. So then you have got the questions that you have written in your copy to ask me, sir, what is meant by this? What does it do? So I'm going to explain it so that you should be able to write. When you will have clear concept and definitely clear understanding of a particular topic, so then you will be able to write the answer. You will be able to choose the proper answer from the MCQs. You will be able to select, you will be able to mention that the statement is true or false, and you will be able to type the answer for the question and answer of short question. For example, if you are asked describe the edit toolbar in your own words. Yeah, describe any 3, any 4, any 5 commands available on edit toolbar. Yes, who will describe it? Please raise the hand. The page is opened right now in front of you. If you don't have the book right now in front of you, see on your screen. Just see on your screen. Yes, Saim.
Sir, cut, copy, paste, trim, audio.
Acha, the answer that you have given it is basically only list. List matlab you have just you have just told me the names of the commands. You did not tell me. The question was describe. Describe matlab you have to tell about. Describe about any 3 commands. Matlab describe का मतलब क्या हुआ? You have to tell के what does copy do, what does paste do, या what does undo is do, or what is meant by the trim, whatever you are taking for your description. So then you will have to describe it. You are not supposed to list the names. Getting this point? I said describe. Describe मतलब कि बताओ क्या करता है वो. For example, describe the purpose of trim audio. Yes. Describe the purpose of trim audio. Raise the hand now. Say Raza Haider, can you tell? Can't you tell? Okay, Maaz.
Sir, in trim audio, it cuts one part of the
Maaz, you have muted your mic, I think.
sorry, sir, in trim audio, it cuts one side of the audio in which we select. It basically trims the audio.
No, when we have selected the track and we apply trim audio, so that selected track, selected area will be removed, or the other rest of the area will be removed.
Yes, sir, I was trying to say that.
No, you did not mention about it. Let's suppose if I select this portion from 10 second to 15 second, so when I will apply the trim, let's suppose I take this. When I will apply the trim, so what will happen? This will remain, the rest will be removed, or this will be removed, the rest will remain. That was the question. So you must know that when we have selected some area in the audio track, when we'll click on the trim button, trim command, so this will remain. Okay, this will remain. The selected area will remain. It works like crop. Crop, you know, how do you crop the picture? When you select some area on the picture and you click crop, so rest of the corners, whatever are there, they are removed. It happens so or not? when you do cropping in your cell phone for the picture, or you do cropping in your desktop PC, you have seen this thing or not? Getting this point or not? What is the opposite case? Let me click the undo key है मैंने इसको, Control Z. Now if I select this portion, now see now, I select this portion, ठीक है? Now if I click the another command, the other command is not trim. The other command is there, which is silence audio selection. It is opposite of the trim. It is opposite of the trim. When I will apply this, so that particular portion जो है ना, it will be removed. Removed means it will be silent. It will become silent. Getting this thing? It will become silent, and the remaining part of the audio track will remain same. Okay. Using time shift tool, I can bring it over here. How did I do it? Using time shift tool. Time shift tool is used to shift the time. So what did I do? So the track was there. So what did I do? I selected it from here and I moved it over there in this way. I moved it over here. Getting this point? So such kind of questions will be there, and you will be asked in different manner of variety of questions, and then you will have to reply for this. Okay. Now if you see on the preferences window, which is given on the page number 86, if we go to our Audacity software and we go to edit menu and preferences, so you will see that some different options are there, which are basically devices that we are using. Okay, playback, recording, these all are the options, you know, related to the Audacity. The important one over here is basically the quality. Okay, using what kind of quality we are going to use our audio track that we have imported in our Audacity software. So if you are asked, अब ये वाली जो window है ना preferences की, you must know because it is given on your book, page number 86. अब ये आपको आना चाहिए, you must know about it, all the options. For example, अगर आपसे पूछा जाए quality, what are the things in the quality? Let's suppose default sample rate, default sample format, 32-bit format is default. Otherwise 64 I think will also be available. No, 16 and 24 are also available. Sample rate converter. Okay, all these options are there. If you are asked, okay, these are the options which are available in the sound quality in preferences window. Okay, in the preferences window and the quality portion. So you must know okay, what are basically different options available over here. Okay. Importing, you may be asked to write the procedure to import a file. Let's suppose if you are asked, you can see on the page number 86. Okay, write down the names of 3 formats which are used normally for the audio files which are supportable in Audacity software. What are the 3 files? What are their extensions? 3 types of audio files. Yes, please raise the hand. The book is open in front of you. You can see on your screen. Yes, Hamdan, can you reply for this?
The 3 common audio file formats are WAV, AIFF, and MP3.
MP3, good. These are the common formats that we use. What is the extension of the Audacity file? Raise the hand now. The Audacity file that we are using when we save an Audacity file. So what is the extension of that particular file that we are using?
.aup.
.aup stands for Audacity project or Audacity program. Okay. Audacity project. Fine. So, such kind of question will be there. So you have to do all the reading. Why I'm going through this again and again, and I'm trying to tell you, okay, such kind of questions will be there. You will not only prepare the questions from the, exercise which are given at the end of the exercise, at the end of the chapter, but also by going through it. Yes, Avais, you want to add something?
Sir, the paper will be online. Now it's confirmed.
It is almost, but whatever will be the decisions, inshallah, we will be discussing about that. Okay, whatever will be the pattern. Pattern I have told you, okay, it will be of 15-50 marks. But the thing is that okay, it will be online, and in which kind of software all these things will be communicated to you. Acha ji. The procedure to make recording, how we can make recording, you know very well. Okay, whenever we are making a recording, so we'll click on the record button. If already an audio track is there, so we'll click on the add new track. We will take a new track, and then we will click on the record button in order to record an audio in the Audacity file. Okay, so these all are the things. I hope all these things are clear. I hope you will start reading the chapters from today, inshallah, and you will start noting down chapter wise questions. First chapter aapne padha, you have read first chapter, go through it completely. Whatever problem is there, note it down. Then start checking chapter, read it properly.